view in the left of the aircraft, as we look, I can see quite a few cells and a build-up as we'll be departing to the north before making a gradual turn to the right for our final destination, go to Baru. For your own protection due to turbulence, while you're seated in your seats, do have your seatbelts fastened in the presence of turbulence. And while on board the aircraft, for any assistance, get in touch with any one of the wonderful crew at the back there, headed by Miss Tina. And that's time permitting, once you get closer to go to Baru, I'll get back to you and give you for the brief as to the arrival time there, as well as any updates on the weather conditions. In the meantime, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight, and get this flight going as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and I'll get back to you later. Bye-bye.
Penerbangan kita telah mendarat di lapangan terbang Sultan Ismail Petra Kota Baru